Hello everyone and welcome back to my second video made on the same lesson, food and water. In our earlier class we knew about food, different types of foods we should eat and what is a balanced meal. And we also knew about three different types of food groups. What are they? Can you remember? Number one is energy giving foods, number two bodybuilding foods, and the last is protective foods. We also knew that we have three big meals in a day, and number one is breakfast, number two lunch, and number three is the last meal, and this is dinner. So what do you think? Where do we get our food from? Who give us food to eat? Food that we eat comes from plants and animals. Yes, plants and animals give us food to eat. So what are the foods that we get from plants? We get fruits, vegetables, cereals such as rice and wheat, pulses, that is mean dal, any type of dal, and nuts from plants. So these all foods are coming from plants. So what are the foods we get from animals? We get milk, meat, eggs and honey from animals. So these are the foods that come from animals. Here we have to draw lines to match the picture of the food with where it comes from. This is honey, and who gives us honey? Honeybee. This is banana, so banana tree. These are eggs, and hen gives us eggs. And this is an apple, it comes from the apple tree. So you have to match the picture of the food with where it comes from. Now we are in the page number 34. So do you know, while we eat at the dining table, we must follow some good habits. So firstly, I would tell you what you all need to do here. Here we have 4 habits, but among them some are good and some are bad. You have to choose. Color the circles green for picture showing good habits. If the picture is showing good habit, you will circle it with green color. And if the picture is showing bad habit, you will circle that picture with red color. Okay? But I will share something extra with all of you. But they are not extra things. You should know about them. So what are the good habits at the dining table? Number 1, do not spill food and water. Chew the food well. Don't talk while food is in your mouth. And do not stuff your mouth with a lot of food. And of course, do not play with the food. Eat slowly and chew the food well. So these are some good habits we must follow at the dining table. Now let's look at our books and try to solve these circles. Wash hands before and after meals. Yes, of course, this is the very first thing we must follow before we sit to eat. You know, our mouth is the entry point of germs. So we must wash our hands before and after meals. So here you will color with green. Chew the food well while eating. Yes, we must chew our food well. Talk a lot while eating. No, we must not talk while we eat. Waste food. No, we must not waste food. Next, our topic is water. Do you know water is very important for all of us? For all of us means animals and humans. Animals also need water. Any animals. And humans also. We need water to wash, drink and cook food. And we all drink water when we are thirsty. When we need to drink water, we drink water. Some animals like fish and crab live in water. So they do not live without water. They live in water. And all animals and humans need water. So what are the various sources of water? Means where do we get our water from? From where? So there are some sources that hold a plenty of water. Lakes, streams, rivers, ponds, seas, oceans and wells, they always hold a plenty of water and we get water from them. So this lesson ends here and it's time to sum up our lesson, food and water. We need food to grow big and strong. Food gives us energy to work and play. And we eat different kinds of food items. And we must have a balanced meal every day in our every meal. We have 3 meals in a day. Number 1 is breakfast, number 2 is lunch and the last is dinner. And dinner should not be very heavy. It should be a light meal. We get food from plants and animals, we have known that, and water is very important for us, we have known about it also. So this lesson ends here. Hope you have enjoyed my class. Thank you.